Hello, today we're going to be learning how to make a shell crochet. So we start off with a slip stitch and we're going to make our foundation chain. The foundation chain needs to be in multiples of 6 plus 1. So in my case, I'm just making a small one for this tutorial, so I'm going to make 6 chains and then I'm going to make 6 more plus 1, so 13 altogether. So the first thing you do is you go into your second chain from the hook and make a single crochet, and then you yarn over and into the second chain after the slip stitch you make a double crochet, and you make that 5 times. So that's 3, 4, and 5. Once you have that, it should look like this, and then you go 2 stitches down of your foundation chain and you make a single crochet. So that is the end of the first shell. The second one, you don't have to make the first single crochet, you just go straight into the double crochet part. So skip 2 stitches and make 5 double crochets into that stitch. I made a boo-boo with a half double, but it's double crochet, and you're going to be left with 2 more chains. So in the last chain you just make a slip stitch since we're ending the round. And this is basically how it's going to look. And if you make a foundation chain that's longer, you're just going to have a bigger border. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.